Welcome to this HSE Action Tracker for Excel. This workbook is designed to help safety teams, HSE managers, and operational leaders keep corrective actions, audit findings, incident follow-ups, and near-miss actions under control, all in one structured file. In many companies, HSE actions are tracked across emails, meeting notes, or separate spreadsheets. That often leads to missed deadlines, unclear responsibilities, and weak follow-up during audits or management reviews. This tracker solves that problem by giving you one central action register with automated status logic, KPI tracking, and a clean dashboard overview. The workbook starts with a clear instruction page. Here, you can see how the file is structured and how each section should be used. The main workflow is simple. Log every HSE action, assign an owner, define a due date, update the status during follow-up meetings, and verify whether the action was effective. The main working area is the action tracker. This is where you enter all safety actions, corrective actions, and improvement measures. Each action can be documented with a source, department, process area, finding description, root cause, corrective or preventive action, priority, risk level, owner, and due date. You can also track the completion date, current status, verification status, effectiveness check date, and notes. The file includes predefined drop-down lists, which help keep the data consistent. For example, you can select sources such as audits, inspections, incidents, near misses, safety walks, risk assessments, or regulatory requirements. This consistency is important because the dashboard and charts depend on clean input data. As soon as an action is entered, the tracker automatically creates an action ID. The progress percentage is calculated based on the selected status. For example, an action marked as closed is shown as 100% complete, while actions in progress or on hold are reflected with partial progress. The workbook also calculates overdue days, aging days, closure lead time, and on-time closure status. This means you do not have to manually calculate whether an action is late or how long it has been open. One of the most useful fields is the escalation flag. If an action is high priority, critical, overdue, or coming due soon, the file highlights whether it should be reviewed or escalated. This helps teams focus on the actions that need attention first. The settings sheet contains the drop-down lists used throughout the tracker. You can adapt these lists to your own organization by changing departments, owners, priorities, risk levels, action statuses, and reporting years. This makes the workbook flexible enough for different companies, sites, departments, or management systems without needing macros or complex setup. The dashboard gives you a management-level overview of your HSE action performance. At the top, you can select the reporting year. The KPI cards and charts update based on the data entered in the action tracker. You can quickly see the total number of actions, open actions, overdue actions, completion rate, high or critical open actions, and actions due in the next 14 days. The second KPI row gives additional management insights, such as average closure days, on-time closure performance, escalation count, verified closed actions, incident and near-miss actions, and backlog older than 60 days. The dashboard charts help you understand where your HSE action workload is coming from and where management attention is needed. You can review action status, priority distribution, monthly action trends, and management focus areas. The lower dashboard section breaks down open actions by department, source, aging bucket, and risk level. This is especially useful for weekly HSE meetings, audit follow-up sessions, and management reviews because it shows where actions are stuck and where resources may be needed. Overall, this workbook helps create a more structured and transparent HSE follow-up process. It supports accountability, deadline control, audit readiness, and continuous improvement. Because the file is built in Excel and does not require macros, it is easy to use, easy to adapt, and suitable for many different HSE, EHS, quality, or integrated management system environments. Use this tracker to move from scattered action lists to one professional HSE action management system. It gives your team a clear overview of what is open, what is overdue, who is responsible, and which actions require immediate attention. You can find the file through the link in the description.